Asustor AS5404T review. This tiny NAS packs a savage punch for creators and small studios. Ever feel like you're drowning in laggy file transfers, unreliable storage, or painfully slow backups? Yeah, us too. Whether you're editing 4K footage, managing tons of raw files, or just trying to keep a team synced up, using outdated gear can feel like wrestling a dinosaur with dial-up. Your creativity stalls. Your motivation nosedives. And don't get us started on the late nights wasted staring at a progress bar. It's exhausting, demotivating, and frankly, it kills your momentum. If you're still stuck relying on fragile solutions, you're setting yourself up for burnout. Let's be real. Deadlines don't care if your NAS crashes or takes ages to sync. The stress is brutal. Files go missing. Your editing workflow grinds to a halt. And the panic? It's real. Every second wasted is a missed opportunity, a broken client promise, a chance you could have taken but didn't. That creeping burnout from tech that just won't keep up? Yeah, it eats away at your passion. If you've ever yelled at a spinning wheel or cursed a file transfer mid-crunch, you're not alone. This problem is universal and solvable. Enter the Asustor AS5404T, aka your new best friend. This beast runs on a 10nm Intel Celeron N5105 quad-core CPU, boosts to 2.9 GHz, and comes locked, loaded, and ready with 4x NVMe M.2 SSD slots, dual 2.5 gigabits ePorts, 3x USB 3.2 Gen 2, HDMI 2.0B, 4K output, and 4 GB DDR4 RAM, expandable. Designed for video editors, content creators, home lab heroes, and small businesses who demand radical speed and ultra-reliability, it crushes the slow, clunky gear of yesterday. Seamless cross-platform access, Adobe Creative Cloud backup, real-time streaming, and tool-free setup? Check. It's not just the NAS. It's your unfair advantage. Imagine editing buttery smooth 4K video while backing up terabytes of data, all without breaking a sweat. Users are raving. Managing 85 megabytes per second on 11 gigabytes writes? Unreal. Another call that the best bang for your buck in prosumer NAS, hands down. And with Snapshot Center, Wake on WAN, Apps Central, and Docker/VM support, this thing runs like a dream, whether you're solo or on a creative team. Pair the dual 2.5 gigabits ePorts for speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, or use the NVMe SSDs to supercharge performance beyond belief. Tired of stuttery Plex streams? Boom! HDMI 4K HDR output. Want passive power? It sips just 7 watt idle. Quiet, fast, sleek. And did we mention future-proof with up to 72 terabytes plus SSD cache? Still wondering if it's worth it? Dive in and see why creators are calling this a game changer. You've seen the specs. You've heard the buzz. So, what are you waiting for? Stock doesn't sit long on powerhouses like this. The Asustor AS5404T isn't just nice to have. It's mission critical. If you're serious about performance, future-proofing, and staying in control, don't sleep on this. Thousands of creators already made the switch. Join them. Whether you're editing, streaming, or just want peace of mind, it's time to act. Secure yours today. Beat the rush. Own your workflow. Because average tools don't build epic results. This one does.